This is a how-to guide on how to create and edit an Instagram reel. Step 1 is to open the Instagram app. Next, you will find the plus symbol in the upper left-hand corner. Once you do that, slide past Post and Story on the bottom of the screen using the slider. Once you do that, you should be taken to the device's camera roll where you pick photos, videos, or both. Once you have all items selected, press the next button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Instagram will auto-generate suggested audios to go over the reel based on the latest trending music. Depending on what you are choosing to do, you can either use one of the suggested audios, use the search bar to find a specific audio, or select skipped in the bottom left-hand corner. The next option will be to edit the reel. A pop-up may appear and you can select yes, or you will swipe up to edit. From here, you can edit your reel in multiple ways. To crop the duration of a photo or video, select the photo or video you choose to crop so it highlights yellow. Take your finger and drag on the yellow line to crop out a few seconds of the photo or video. You can drag from either side to crop out specifically the beginning or end of the clip. This I'm going to make only around 2 seconds. If you want to add text on the reel, there's a tap to add text button located underneath the clips. Once you type in your text, press done on the bottom of the screen. The text you added should be highlighted in yellow, and you can drag it and make it appear on the screen as long as you want, just how you can crop photos or videos. To add more than one text box, locate the AA symbol in the bottom left-hand corner and type. For this, we'll add text over this picture. Press done. To rearrange the order of the clips, press and hold the clip you want to move and drag it to the desired position. For this, we'll go back to this photo, select it, press down and hold so they start shaking like so, and we'll move this to the front of the reel. You can do this as many times as you liked, but keep in mind the text that you added on certain clips. Once you're done, you can select either a blue check mark or an arrow will appear in the top right corner. From there, you will be able to upload your reel and it is complete.